We've all been there. There's that one annoying person that seems to text you constantly or call you constantly, and you don't want to actually block them because maybe every once in a while you do want to talk to them, but you don't want your phone constantly ringing and buzzing and vibrating every time they text and call. Now, there is a solution instead of blocking them. We can silence both their calls as well as their texts, still see when they call and text, but choose when to answer them when we want. I'll walk you through all of it. First, just open up the Messages app on your iPhone and hop into the conversation with that person. Now, Messages is fairly easy. If they keep texting you, you can tap on their name at the top, scroll down, and turn on Hide Alerts. Essentially, what this means is every time they text you, you'll still get that text message, but you won't get a notification, your phone won't ring or buzz. However, let's say they call you as well, and you want to silence their calls, but you don't necessarily want to block them. We can do that as well. However, to be able to do that, we need to do a quick workaround trick. To be able to do it, we're going to take your finger and swipe down, and we're going to type in Voice Memos. Tap on Voice Memos at the top left, and I'm going to record a silent recording that will then set as the ringtone for that person, so essentially you don't hear anything when they call. So let me redo this. So just like that, I've recorded that silent ringtone. And on here, I'm going to tap the three dots at the top right and rename this to Trevor Silent, something like that. After I've done that, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap on where it says Share at the top. There it is. Tap on it. Tap on View More at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap on Use as Ringtone. So this will add it as a ringtone across your entire phone, but we don't want to do that. We just want to set it for that annoying contact. So I'm going to choose Reflection, just the default for my ringtone on my phone. But now I'm going to open up the phone app here. Tap on that contact, again, Trevor Android in this case. Tap on where I scroll down, text tone, and I can set this to none for no text tone, and then tap on the edit button at the top right, scroll down from here and tap on ringtone, and I'm going to choose Trevor Silent. Now tap on the check mark at the top right, and just like that, when that person calls, you're not blocking them, but their call will always be silenced because essentially it won't ring to your phone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.